gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
The first hands-on review of the Huawei Nova 16 Pro is finally here, and one feature is stealing all the attention, the incredible 200-megapixel camera. But before we jump in, there's one big rumor we need to clear up. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Many expected the Nova 16 Ultra to launch as a Pro Max. Now it's official. Huawei kept the lineup unchanged with the Nova 16, Nova 16 Pro, and Nova 16 Ultra. The Nova 16 Pro brings some major upgrades, while the Ultra pushes things even further. But here's the surprise. The Pro could be the best value in the lineup. Huawei has focused on giving all three phones almost the same flagship experience. The biggest reason is the processor. Every Nova 16 model runs on the Kirin 9010S chipset, delivering flagship-level performance. Instead of limiting power to the top model, Huawei has equipped the entire lineup with premium hardware, making the differences much smaller than before. Now, let's check out the phone itself. Starting with the back, my unit comes in the beautiful iridescent finish, the only gradient color in the series. It blends soft pink at the top into light blue at the bottom, creating a vibrant look that changes beautifully under different lighting. It feels fresh, stylish, and perfect for summer. Huawei calls this design dazzling twin stars. The back uses velvet AG glass, while the frame is made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, giving the phone a premium look and feel. On the front, you get a 6.84-inch 2.5D flat display with a 1 Hz to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and 2160 Hz PWM dimming for better eye comfort. It's protected by durable Kunlun glass. The Pro and Ultra share the same display, while the standard Nova 16 gets a slightly smaller 6.68-inch screen. Huawei has also added smart display features like AI eye protection and HDR bionic display, and all three models share these premium features. The similarities continue with a huge 7,000 mAh battery, the largest ever in a Nova phone. Every model supports 100-watt SuperCharge turbo, while the Ultra adds 50-watt wireless charging. You also get Beidou satellite communication, 5A high-speed networking, satellite flash transmission, Wi-Fi 7, and HarmonyOS 6.1 with improved AI features across the entire lineup. Because of these shared upgrades, the biggest difference between the three phones comes down to the cameras, and Huawei has done something interesting. Instead of removing premium camera features from cheaper models, it still includes a front telephoto camera and a rear red ring primary color lens, giving even the Pro a flagship-style camera setup. Now, let's focus on the Nova 16 Pro. Its camera is surprisingly close to the Ultra. The highlight is the 200-megapixel RYYB main camera with a massive 1/1.28-inch sensor, one of Huawei's biggest camera innovations. I tested it by capturing a panoramic shot during the Huawei 6 series launch event, and the results were seriously impressive. One huge advantage of the 200-megapixel sensor is flexibility. You can crop photos heavily without losing much detail, so your images stay sharp even after editing. The 50-megapixel RYYB periscope telephoto camera is another major highlight. At the Huawei launch event, I used it to photograph the Teens and Times (TNT) members from far behind the crowd. The 3.7x optical zoom was perfect for stage shots, while 10x zoom captured clear, detailed photos of every member. That makes the Nova 16 Pro a fantastic phone for concerts, travel, graduations, and even distant landscapes. But what impressed me most was the incredibly accurate colors. Huawei achieves this with its Red Wind camera system, powered by 1.5 million multispectral channels for precise color calibration. Whether it's bright LED stages, flowers, or difficult lighting, colors look natural and true to life. The Pro and Ultra also bring Red Wind color technology to the front camera, keeping skin tones natural. Every Nova 16 model features a 50-megapixel selfie camera, and it's the only system that combines an ultra-wide front camera with macro photography, making selfies even more versatile. On the software side, the Nova 16 series is the first to ship with HarmonyOS 6.1. The built-in Arc engine improves smoothness while boosting performance during heavy tasks. Huawei has also added smart AI features. A new learning mode helps you stay focused, while the AI learning assistant creates personalized study plans. The upgraded Xiaoyi assistant is even smarter. Just say, "Remove the person on the left," and the AI edits your photo automatically. One simple command is all it takes. Huawei has also introduced new themes, including solo themes, teens and times themes, and the time capsule theme, giving the phone a fresh, more personal feel. Now, here's my buying advice. Memory prices are rising worldwide, and many flagship phones have become much more expensive. Even mid-range phones are seeing major price increases. Despite that, the Nova 16 Pro starts at 38.99 yuan in China, around £429 in the UK, and $576 in the US. More importantly, Huawei's small price increase comes with meaningful hardware upgrades. Every model gets the Kirin 9110S, the 200-megapixel Red Wind camera system, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and a massive 7,000 mAh battery. Altogether, it delivers outstanding value in its class. Whether you compare it with competitors or with Huawei's own lineup, the Nova 16 Pro is easy to recommend. It offers an experience that's surprisingly close to the Ultra, making it one of the smartest choices in the series. These are just my first impressions. A full in-depth review is coming soon, so if you don't want to miss it, hit subscribe and join our tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!